Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to GCP firewall rules for SSH access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect to GCP firewall rules for SSH access, start by logging into your Google Cloud Platform console. Navigate to the VPC network section from the left sidebar. Select firewall rules from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Firewall Rule button. Name your firewall rule to easily identify it later. Under Network, select the VPC network where your virtual machine resides. In the Direction of Traffic field, choose Ingress. Set the action on Match to allow. In the Targets section, in the Source filter, select IP ranges. In the Source IP ranges field, enter the IP address or range that you want to allow SSH access from. In the Protocols and Ports section, check the Specified Protocols and Ports box. Enter TCP in the Protocol field and 22 in the Port field to allow SSH. Double-check all the settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Create button to establish your new firewall rule. Once the rule is created, navigate to the Compute Engines section. Select VM instances from the drop-down menu. Find the virtual machine you want to connect to and note its external IP address. Open your terminal or SSH client on your local machine. Type in the SSH command followed by the external IP address of your VM. For example, enter SSH your username at external IP address. If prompted, type yes. Enter your password when asked or use your SSH keys for authentication. Once authenticated, you will have SSH access to your virtual machine. Congratulations, you have successfully configured GCP firewall rules for SSH access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.